creative mind, welcome back to PPPDesigner. Whether you are a designer, marketer, or content creator, the right illustration can elevate your projects to the next level. Today, I am sharing 5 amazing websites to find high quality illustrations that are perfect for modern designs. Let's explore the tools. They are free, creative, and easy to use. Watch till the end and tips to get the most out of these resources. Do you ever feel stuck searching for high quality illustration that can elevate your project? Nice Illustration solves this problem by offering stunning, ready to use design that works for a variety of creative minds. Whether you are designing a website, creating an app, or preparing for a marketing campaign, Nice Illustration provides professionally crafted assets that saves your time. Whether it clean and versatile styles, these illustrations fit seamlessly into any design. Recently, I worked on my portfolio project, and finding the right illustration to make my theme was a challenge. Nice Illustration helped me showcasing my work in the best lights, giving it a pos- polished and professional touch. Imagine having an entire library of illustration at your fingertip. Pixel True offers exactly that, a collection of illustration pack that caters to diverse style and theme. These packs are highly detailed and included multiple variations, making them perfect for both personal and professional projects. From SaaS landing pages to e-commerce banners, Pixel 2 illustration are versatile and high impact. I recently used Pixel 2 for a client presentation, and this illustration pack helped me deliver a visually challenging and engaging design. It's a must-have for anyone working on a tight deadline. And even I love it, brother. Hope you like it. Looking to add a human touch to your design? Scribble delivers hand-drawn illustration that brings warmth and authenticity to your project. These doodle style illustrations are perfect for casual and creative design like blogs, portfolios, or even educational materials. What's great is that they are available in various themes, so you can pick the one that resonate with your project tone. I have used Scribble in my personal branding projects, or you can say portfolio, and the hand-drawn charm made my design stand out. They are perfect for when you want to break away from the overall polished design look. You can do it by implementing, and they are out of the box thoughts that will help you to enhance your workflow in a different way. Just to try and let me know in the comments below. Waiting for your comments. Do you want your projects to feel fun, approachable? Open Doodle is a free resource that offers mesmerizing customizable illustration, making it ideal for casual designs. Open Doodle is an incredible versatile. You can download illustration in SVG or PNG format and edit them to match your brand color or theme. These are great for presentations, onboarding screens, or even newsletters. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can use it. While working on a community app project, I needed playful yet professional assets to connect with users. Open Doodles turned out to be the perfect fit. It added the touch of friendliness I was looking for it, and I get it. Just try it down and let me know how you feel to use it and where you have implemented. If you have any Figma file, do share with me in the comments. Who doesn't love emojis? Emojis Cloud takes them to the next level by letting you create customizable emoji cloud that are so creative you can imagination out of imagination. Sorry. From fun social media posts to interactive presentation, emojis clouds add a spark of creativity. You can choose from a variety of styles and layout to craft emojis that are perfectly match your design visions. Recently, I used Emojis Cloud to design a professional graphics for a brand social media campaign. The unique emoji cloud style was a huge hit, and it drove more engagement than we expected. And that's a mindful and wonderful success for us. Just to let me know if you are implementing something in your Figma file, do give me the file. That's a wrap, designers. These 5 websites are a game changer for everyone looking out to creative and characters to their projects. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you have found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to Triple P Designer. It's very needed. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay creative and updated with more amazing design resources. Until next time, keep creating and inspiring. Bye bye.